Jungle. Audio Jungle.
So, welcome to class, everyone. Today, what I'll be teaching us is introduction to. It will be an introductory class to futures trading. But as long as, despite the fact that it's an introduction class to futures trading, I'll be telling you everything as regards futures. So, how to do your settings, everything as a newbie, or even if they are in the space before, what are the things that you are supposed to know? What are the things that you are supposed to take note of when you are trading futures? So when we say futures trading, it can also be called derivative trading. So futures trading can also be called what? Derivative trading. And when we are saying futures trading or derivative trading, it refers to the trading aspect of the cryptocurrency. There are two types of trading in crypto, which is what? Spot trading and derivative of futures trading. In spot trading, you are buying the real coin. If it is BTC you are trading, you are buying the real BTC coin. But when we are saying derivative trading um or futures trading, is in form of a contract, just like you are buying a shares. You understand? So it's this thing we are buying is not actually the real coin you are buying, but you are just like you are buying the contract of that particular of ETC or ETH or everything or anything. So it's just like a paper that you are buying, but it will correspond, the price at times corresponds to what? To the normal price. The only thing that you can see a slight fluctuation there, maybe like a bit normal BTC coin can be at 36,001. Then your futures trading, the price can be at maybe like 105 or 110. You understand? Just a slight difference. Do you understand? So that's that about that. Then when we are saying derivative of futures, that's like the trading aspect of crypto. Now, if it is forex trading now, we will say we are trading commodities such as what? Such as oil, such as gold. You understand? Then we can also say we are trading currency pairs such as GBP, JPY. That's British. You can trade um CAD USD, Canadian dollar to its normal United States dollar. You understand? You can be trading Japanese yen with US dollar. You can be trading Great Britain pounds with what? US dollar. You understand? So those ones are currency pairs. So when you are hearing about GBP USD, CAD JPY, all these ones, they are currency pairs, and those ones we talk about in forex. But when we are saying in cryptocurrency, we all know what cryptocurrency is. We know that, okay, when we say Bitcoin, when we say Ethereum, when we say Bit token, all these things are what? Are coins. You understand? But if you want to trade them with using all these our analysis I'm telling you that we are going to see as we proceed during the course of the class, is we trade all those things under what? Futures trading or what? Or derivative trading. I think we all get me now. Let me open the group. Sorry, let me open the WhatsApp group so that we can all send a message there in case you want to draw me back on something. I've opened the group, so let me know if you guys are hearing me. Can you guys still hear me? Can you guys still hear me? Okay. Thank you very much. So let us continue. Let us continue. So, do you understand what I'm trying to talk about now? Do you understand? Okay, nice. So let's continue. So yesterday, most of the things we did, I didn't actually share my screen for us to. dive into what and what, okay, analyze and everything. Today too, we are not going to analyze anything. It's just an introductory class to, okay, I want to be a trader. What do I need to do? Where do I trade? You trade in the market. Now, for currency pairs now, for forex, where is your market? MT4 and MT5. For cryptocurrency now, where is your market? Markets are exchanges. So what are the exchanges that we have? We have a whole lot of exchanges, such as we have Binance is one of the exchange and the most common exchange. We have Bybit, that's the number 2 exchange in the world. And actually, that Bybit, in terms of futures trading or derivative trading, they are more user friendly and newbie friendly than Binance. I'm also an affiliate of Bybit, so I'm going to be showing us how to navigate through those exchanges. MEX exchange is also a market where you can perform your trading. Which exchange? There are a lot of exchange. There is a lot of OKX exchange, Binance, Bybit, Bitget, a whole lot that you can mention. Just you can search it online. Just search for exchanges or cryptocurrency exchanges. You are going to see a whole lot. But the most common one are what? Binance, Bybit, Bitget, OKX, MEX exchange. You understand like that? So now, how do we now perform our trading? What are the things? You need to be familiar with the market. Before you carry your goods to the market, you need to be familiar with the market. What are the four corners of the market? Where can I pitch as my own spot in the market where people can be coming to come and buy my goods and services? You understand? So the same thing applies to what? To our normal financial market trading. So let's go there now. This is Binance. So this is Binance with me here. So Binance, once you open your Binance, this is what it will display. This is what it will display for you. This is Binance. So under the Binance, I don't know, can you guys see this my cursor? Can you guys see my cursor? Let me see your response. Can you see my cursor? Can you see my cursor? Okay, nice. Okay, so once you open your Binance, this is what it will display. So you have your home here. Come down, you see home, you see markets, you see trades, you see futures, you see wallets. So if you want to perform, if you are a trader, so where you are most concerned about is this particular place, which is what? Futures. This place, futures. You know, I told you that there are two types of trading in crypto: futures trading and spot trading. If you are the type that is spot trading, this is where you go. But we are not concerned about spot trading, because most of the times spot trading means that what you are buying, you like this particular coin, or you've heard a particular news about this particular coin, or you've had a particular development about this particular coin. Let's say BNB now. So you just say like, oh, I like this particular coin, I want to buy the coin. So you come here, trade, then you buy the coin and keep. You understand? But if you are a trader that you after analyzing your market, you know, after on TradingView, where the app we'll be using for analysis is TradingView. Let me show us the TradingView. This is the app. TradingView, this is where we analyze the market. We'll get there too. When we get to type of analysis and how to execute them, we'll get there. So I'm going to tell you everything about it. So you can see a lot of coins that you can analyze there. A lot of coins that you can analyze. So after analyzing everything, you now come to this place, which is what? Features. You understand? So this is features. This is the templates. Look at it. This is our market. This is our marketplace. Your available balance is here. This is your available balance. This is your available balance. So this, you see, I'm having 46 USDT here. So if I want to long a coin, or I want to buy that coin, when you want to buy a coin, it means you are saying that that particular coin will go up. The price of that coin will go up. So you say, I want to go long, or you are bullish on that particular coin. You understand? So you come here, buy. But if you want to short the market, you want to sell it, you want to sell the market, or you want to short the market, then you come to this, you click on this one, this sell. So when you want to sell the market, it means you are predicting, or you are forecasting that the particular price of this BTC is going to fall. So you what? You short the market. You short it. I'm going to tell you more about it. It's actually a rule in technical analysis. Always follow the trend. Make trend your friend. If we are going long, like if the market, if you perceive and you see that a lot of people are shorting, are longing the market, there are a lot of liquidity for the market to go up, you long the market, that is, you buy. But if you are hearing bad news about the market, or once do your analysis, you see that okay, a lot of people actually want to dump this coin, there is a lot of supply, then you sell the market. You understand? So that's that about that. Now let me start from the beginning. So this is the template, this is our market. Now let's know all the four corners of this market so that we can know where to place our commodity for our customers to come and buy goods and services from us. Do you understand? That's the layman explanation. Now let's bring it here now. Now this USDM, that's where you should leave it. Always leave it in this USDM. Like it, after coming here, you click on this place. This is what it will bring. Nothing concern you with this place. Leave this particular first dashboard. Leave it. Now here, any coin that you want to that you've analyzed that you want to trade, this is where you change it. This particular coin, arrow, 2 arrows, this is where you change it. You see, I've clicked on it. Look at it, a lot. Then if you can't see it, what the coin you want to trade here, you can search for it. Let's say I want to trade RLC now. You can search for RLC. Can you see? It's brought the RLC for me. Then you click on it. Do you understand? So that's about that. So once you click on it, it will change. Now this is minus 1.41. It shows that BTC currently and today only has done what? Minus 1.41%. That's the meaning of this one. This place is showing us charts. If you want to analyze the market, like if you don't want to go to TradingView to analyze the market, let me open a coin so that we can see how TradingView looks like. So this is how TradingView looks like. So can you see it? So if you don't want to analyze here, if you don't want to analyze your market here, you can come here and click on this chart arrow. This is a candlesticks, these two candlesticks. Click on it. Can you see it? It has brought it for me too. Can we all see it? So this is candlesticks. So you can analyze anything you want to analyze. There are a lot of tools for you to analyze. You understand? But the analysis on app is not usually sharp, so it's good. And good traders, profitable traders use what? Most profitable traders use TradingView app. You understand? So come back here. Let's back it. So that's that about that sharp. Then this plus and equals to sign. This is a calculator. It's a calculator. It's a calculator. So you want to calculate if you are longing this market and you are using 20x leverage. Let's say you enter at 30,000. You enter the price at 30 and you want to exit at 35,000. So what would be my gain? So let me say, just this quantity doesn't matter. This quantity doesn't matter. The quantity doesn't matter. The quantity doesn't matter. So this is calculator. This is calculator. Just come here. Leave it at PNL. Like you want to know how much PNL means profit and loss. How much do you want to know? How much will you profit from this trade, or how much will you lose? Do you understand? So if the price is, if you entry price, enter at 30,000 and use 20x leverage. So exit price, and you want to take profit at 35,000. So what would be your profit? So you now click on what? This calculates. So my profit will be what? 2,500 USDT. So my profit will be what? 2,500 USDT. But that's not our what concern. The concern is ROE. That's what you should be concerned about. 333%. So you are going to make 333%. But what if the trade did not go your way? That is your stop loss. If you enter at 30,000, but you now say you don't want if the thing is going sour, if your trade is going sour, and you don't want to lose more than what? If the trade could go towards 29,000, it should close the trade for you. So how much are you going to lose? Let's click on calculate. So 66%. Let's say you use $10. So you are going to lose 66% of $10. That's like roughly what? That's roughly $6, $6.6 that you are going to lose from that trade. But if to say the trade went your way and the trade gets what? 35,000. So how much are you going to make? Let's click on calculate. So 333%. So 333% of 333% of $10 is what you are going to make roughly like $333 profit. Do you understand? So that's how to use this how to use this Binance calculator. We just use it to know how much are we going to gain or how much are we going to lose before we enter a market. Do you understand? But most people that use Binance calculator are people that depend on Signal. But I'm not teaching you to depend solely on Signal. So therefore, this might not be really, really important, and you might not actually be using this. But for now, if you are the type that you are still depending on signals, this is another thing for you. This is another takeaway for you. This is another bonus for you. So if anybody drop trade for you, before you enter that trade, firstly go and look. Okay, you said I should long the market. I've longed it. It's on long. If they say you should short the market, just click on the shorts. You understand? So just click on the shorts. It will bring it. Or so they say I should long the market. Long. They say I should use 50x leverage. I use 50x leverage. So I've changed it to 50x leverage. The entry price that I was given is 30,000 and the exit price was 35,000. How much am I going? This quantity doesn't matter. You can put anything. So how much am I going to gain if I enter this particular trade and the trade actually play out well? So you click on calculate. So you are going to make 800%. You are going to make 800%. You understand? Initially we use 20x, right? We use 20x leverage. I will explain leveraging for us later, but I'm explaining how to use this calculator for us first. So, we used 20x leverage initially, and the profit was what? 333%. But if you use 50x leverage, the profit is now what? 833%. So, on that, if you use $10 to enter this trade, you are going to make what? 1, 2, $833 of $10. I think that's $833 that you are going to make. Do you understand? So that's that about that. So that's that about that. So now that's how to use it. But that's how to use it. But when you use 20x leverage, you see 333%. You understand? So why is it changing? Why is it changing? I'm going to tell you in leveraging. I'm going to tell you in leveraging. So this target price, liquidation price, max open, and open price doesn't concern you. What you are concerned about is what? This PNL. So the same thing as calculator. Once you open this calculator, nothing concern you with this up. What just concern you is that are they telling me to long this market or they are telling me to what? To short this market. So once you put the two, then what leverage do I want to use? So if I use 20x leverage, you can see that the profit is not as if I use 50x leverage. But at the same time, when I use what? I want to, my stop loss is what? The stop loss given to me is 29,000. So, and when I use 20x leverage the other time, the loss was what? 66%, right? So what will be the loss here? Can you see? You have liquidated because you liquidate at 100%. Once it's on 100%, you will liquidate. So you can see that you are still going to what? You will liquidate on this trade and your stop loss will not trigger. So when you now say you set stop loss, before your stop loss reach, the trade will have already closed and you've been lost and you will not see any money again. So that's about that. So Do we get it? Do we all get it? So that's that about the calculator. So these three dots, click on the three dots. There's no nothing to do here. Normally before you can customize your PNL banner, but now Binance is no more doing that. So Binance is no more doing that. Adimbi, they are still doing it. It's under this N bonus that you are going to come. Then you customize your banner. But I don't think Binance is no more doing that. So you click on what? You close it. So that's that about that. So I've explained this particular place. Now let's go to the next one. This is modes. This is mode. So which mode do you want to go? We have two types of mode in leverage trading or futures trading or derivative trading. We have two types of mode. You can either use an isolated mode or what? Or you can either use an isolated mode or a what? Or a cross mode. Isolated mode or cross mode. Now, what's the difference between an isolated mode and a cross mode? Yes, there will be a recording. There will be a recording, but please try as much as possible to follow me. I'm making it more explanatory for you, and I'm taking it one step at a time so that you can grab it very well. Now, let's go back. We have two types of mode: isolated mode and what? And cross mode. Now, who are the people that use cross mode? Who are the people that use isolated mode? Small traders like us use isolated mode. And I will advise you all to be using isolated mode. Isolated mode is for people with small accounts, while cross mode is for people with what? Bigger accounts size, mostly market movers. Do you understand? So now, isolated mode. This isolated mode, what's the difference from cross mode? Literally, and from the main from literally and from the English, when we say something is isolated means that, okay, I want to enter this BTC trade and I want to use $10 margin. Margin means money or the USDT you want to use to enter that trade. Do you understand? So in crypto, when we say margin means our money. That is how much you want to use to enter that trade. That is how many USDT you want to use to enter that trade. You understand? So now, what differentiates crypto from Forex is that crypto we use USDT, but in Forex they use US dollar, USD. Do you understand? So that's that about that. Now, look, isolated, it means, okay, now I'm having $46 here. I'm having $46, but I want to enter this BTC trade. I want to enter a BTC trade now. If I enter this BTC trade, how much do I want to use to enter that trade? I want to use just $10 to enter that trade. So when I want to use just $10 to enter that trade, let's say, so you now put your parameters, you put everything. Once you click on open and the trade is running. Let's say the trade now is now not going to your direction. The trade is not going to your direction and you did not set stop loss. So the trade will liquidate you. But when it liquidates you, the only amount is going to liquidate is that only amount you use to enter this particular trade, which is what? $10. If you don't set stop loss. So it's going to liquidate just $10. So you still be left with what? With $36. Do you understand? So if you are on cross mode, this other mode. Now, let's say you enter the trade with $10 and you did not set stop loss. You still have $36 left. Now, the trade was going down against you and you did not set stop loss. After chopping or eating your $10, the remaining the trade will now jump to your other money, which is your $36, and start eating your $36 too. It will start eating your $36. It will start eating your $36. Do you understand now? So that's the difference between what? Isolated and cross. It means it will cross to go and eat your other remaining balance. That's the meaning of between what? Isolated and cross. Please, do we all get this isolated and cross now? Please let me see your reaction. Do we all get isolated and cross? Okay, nice. So that's that. So for newbies that you enter trade, and the thing is that once if you are just trading, if you are just trading or you are just trading a new coin, what it will be is what it will always be in what in cross. So please, first thing you have to do, I say if you enter this place, okay, this is the first place. You enter this place. The first thing you go and do is that nothing concerned with this one. This one, what do I want to trade? You pick it here. Then the next thing is that you always see this one in cross. So firstly change it to what? Isolated first. Firstly change it to isolated. But if you are on cross, but you set your stop loss, and the stop loss is actually reasonable. So nothing, you don't need to worry between what isolated or cross again. Do you understand? So that's about that. Now this place that they write 55x, this is where we call leveraging. This is what we call leveraging. Leveraging. You see, adjust leverage. So for BTC trade, get from what 1 to what 125x. Look at it. They said selecting higher leverages such as 10x increases your liquidation risk. Always manage your risk level. See our air particle something. Well, I'm going to explain that one for you. And I've actually explained it when I'm using the calculator. The higher leverage you use, the higher is like, okay, let me use this one. There's something called position sizing. I'm going to teach you that one too. But I want to let you understand what this leverage means. Leverage means the amount you borrowed. I have $10. And I want to enter this trade. If I have $10 and I buy BTC with $10, I beg, please, if this BTC move from this 30,017 to 31,000, that's $1,000 increase, right? And on my $10 is not going to move an inch. The highest it will move as my profit is $0.1. So how many years do you want to wait for your $10 to turn to $20? For your $10 to turn to $20, it means BTC have to move from 30,007 to 60,000 plus. How many years will you wait for BTC to move to 60,000 plus before you make what? $10 extra profit? That's why we use what? Leveraging. Leveraging is that you want to multiply your money. Okay, you have $10. If I use 10x now, if I use 10x, it means I want to borrow 10 times of my money more. So 10 times 10 is what? What is my money? $10. With this 10x, so 10 times 10 is what? $100. So I want to use $100. You know that if I use $100 now, I will still have like maybe instead of waiting for BTC to reach maybe 60,000, I can just wait like for it to reach maybe 45,000 to make extra $100, extra $10. You understand? I don't know if you get me. So this leverage is like we are trying to multiply our money so that we can be able to buy larger quantity of this BTC. Now, if I use 55x now, or let's say I use 100x, I use 100x. If I use 100x now, with the way I use this 100x, now I want to use, let's say I want to use $100 to enter the trade. I want to use 100, or let's say I want to use $30 to enter the trade. $30. So $30 times 100, that's what? 30,000. That's $30,000. So it means that I'm entering the trade. I'm using $30,000. It's just like I'm using $30,000 to buy what? BTC. If BTC moved by 31,000 by $1,000, that is, it's moved to 31,000. I've already made profits. You understand? Like I will make $1,000 profit. So that's the way it is. $1,000 profit. So let's say, so you now close the trade. When you close the trade, the profit you are not going to make will now be, it's $1,000 now. $1,000 profit. You will now divide it by 100 back, the leverage. So 1,000 divided by 100, $10. So you made $10 profits. Do you get what the analogy I just made now? Let me know. Do you get what I just did now? The reason for the leveraging. Leveraging is that you are buying money, like you are buying more. You are borrowing more money. So to multiply it with your small capital, so that you can have what higher opportunity or higher leverage on the in a trade. Do you understand? Like you didn't get it. Who else didn't get it? Let me come again. Okay, let me have one more. Which one? Okay, let me do it again. Look at it. Or let me just do it like this. The difference between spot trading and this futures trading is the leverage. Is this leverage that you are seeing? So on spot trading now, if I have $30, I cannot buy one Bitcoin. On spot trading, I cannot buy one Bitcoin if I have $30. I can just buy bits or units of Bitcoin. Let's say like 0.000 something of Bitcoin. But if I have $30 in leverage trading and I use 100x, I can buy one BTC. Why? Because apart from that, my $30, I now multiply it by 100. That's the meaning. Because I want to make my profits fast. Do you understand? I want to double my money as fast as possible. So you borrow more money. Do you understand now? Do you get it? We'll get to that place later. But do you understand what leveraging is? Do you understand what leveraging is? Leveraging just means that you are borrowing more money. You are borrowing more money. That's what leveraging means. Okay. So this S means single. Is it like you are in a single mode? You are in a single mode. So if you are placing shorts, you cannot place long. That's the meaning. So it's always like this S. So just leave it. Now, for this funding or countdown, so the longer you take on a trade, the longer you take, so this funding or countdown will be telling you the amount that Binance is going to charge as their fee. But this thing doesn't really affect us because we are not using very large capital like that. We are not using like $100,000 to enter a trade without leveraging. You understand? But people that use high money, capital, margin to enter trades. So this one, you can say it can affect them because the longer they take in the market, so the longer the charges of what Binance. You understand? So that's that about that. This one is just telling us what this thing is charging us, what Binance will charge. So that's that about that. Now look at this place. You can see price. This one is red. This one is green. So this one is showing us the amount of people that are placing what short order. This one is telling us the amount of people that are placing what long order. And this is the price they want to long. This is the price they want to short. That's what this one is telling us. This is the current market price. BTC is currently at what 30,772.8. Do you understand? So that's that about that. Do you get it? No. If you place your money on cross and the money is finished on cross, like your available capital finish, the money is not going to jump to cross to spots. Nothing concerns sports. You are concerned with this place. Do you understand? So that's it. Okay. We will still get to FX, please. Now we are. What did I say in the introduction? I say introduction to futures trading, and you can see it in the course outline that there's introduction to forex trading too. So it doesn't apply to FX trade. Do you get it now? Okay. So let's move on. So I am very happy that we all get everything that we have explained here. Now we now get to this place. They put limits. So can you see one small arrow there? Click on it. So this limit, post only, market, sports, everything. What you are just concerned about is just limits and markets. It's just limits and markets that you are concerned about. Limits, if to say someone give you signal now, someone give you signal that you should short BTC when BTC get to 31K. BTC has not gotten to 31K. So that's the limit. That is, you set the order down. When you are setting an order down for the price to come to that place, when the price gets to that place, that's when the market should pick you. That's limit order. But market order, it means you want to enter at this particular current market price. You understand? That's what market means. So in this draw down menu now, what you are just concerned about is what? Limit and market. Others, nothing concern you about that. Limit and market. Now, how do you use, maybe is limit I'm supposed to put, or market? If they give you signal and the price has not gotten to where they ask you to long, or to where they ask you to short, so you leave it on what? On limit. But if to say, they say, oh yeah, enter this particular market or signal at CMP, that is current market price. So you just click on market. You understand? So you just click on market. Can you see? It doesn't bring anything again. It just wants you to what? To place. How much do you want to use to enter the trade? Can you see? So, but if you click on limits now, it will ask you at what price. So you what? You edit it. I want to enter the market at 31,000. Do you understand? So you leave this one in BTC. Nothing concern you. Leave it in BTC. What you should be concerned about is that, I want to enter the market at what? $46. Don't be typing $10. I want to enter the market with $10. Don't be typing $10 here. Nothing concern you here. That you now type $10. No. Can you see? Nothing concern you with that place. That's not where to put it. Where you should put it is that you will be dragging this place, be dragging this particular line that is here. Then what should you be looking out for? Be looking out for costs. It's costs that you are concerned about. Nothing concern you with this max. Nothing concern you with max. Nothing concern you with reduce only. But this is where you put your take profits that was given to you, and this is where you put what? Stop loss. Do you understand? So this is where you put take profit, this is where you put stop loss. If your own is not showing, just click on this green. You see that it's not showing take profit or stop loss. You can just click on this circle. Click inside that circle. Click on it. I've clicked on it. Can you see? It brought my what? Take profit and my what? And my stop loss. Nothing concerned with this advance. Now, so nothing concerned you with this place too. Then leave this one in this what? This particular coin that is it. Leave it like that. So now come here. I want to use $10 to enter the trade. What you should be looking at for is the costs. This place, cost. So just be drawing it. You see that it's $10 already. Can you see? So it's $10 already. So you click on what? Buy. You understand? So when the market gets to 31,000, it's going to buy. So let's click on this buy first. Okay, I want the market to stop me out when it gets to 29,000. I want to take my profit at 35,000. So you click on done, then you click on what? Buy. You see that the market has what is this? Sorry. What is happening? Okay. Do you know what happened? What happened is that I want to buy at higher price than the normal price. I want to buy at higher price. The market will say, no worry now. Let me just enter before the market, because why are you waiting at 31,000 to buy? You understand? So if you want to buy now, it means you wait for the price to come down small. That's when you want to buy. You understand? So let's say I want to buy at what? At 30,500. When the market come down to 30,500, this 30,700 is too expensive for me. I want to enter my market when the market comes to what? 30,500. You understand? How much do you want to use? I want to use $10 to enter the trade. What's my stop loss? If the market is going down too much, I can't take it anymore. If the market gets to 30,000, I don't want to take it anymore. Or let's leave it at this hour, 29,000. 29,000. So my take profit, I want to take profit at 35,000. So I want to use $10 to enter the trade. So I've set everything. Just click on what? On sell, on buy. So you see that you have set sources, and it puts it on what? Open orders. It means you've opened this particular order down, but the market has not gotten to that place. So when the market gets to the place, it's going to show in this what position. So click on open orders. So can you see? I can see my BTC. I want to buy this particular market. When market gets to what? 30,500. Do you understand? That's how it is. So when you click on this view shows you that okay, you want to, the market should stop you out at 35. Then the market should stop out at 29,000. Then when market gets to 5,000, it should what? Help you to take profit. So that's that about that. So that's limit order. But let's say they say if you enter at current market price, what will you do? Just come to this limit, then change it to what? To market. I've changed it to market. I want to long. So how much do I want to use? $10. Let's say I want to use $10 to enter the market. Let me reduce this leverage. So I want to use $10 to enter the market. So can you see? So the market will enter immediately. That one will come to this position and enter your this thing for you immediately. So can you see? It's already in positions. You see? It's already reading. So if you want to say, let's say you didn't set your stop loss and take profit. This is where you set your stop loss and your take profit. So you set your stop loss, you set your what? Take profit. Then you click on what? You click on confirm. Do you get it? So let's say I'm all right with this. I want to close my trade. So you click on what? You click on this close position. If to say I want to show off my banner, you click on this place and click on what? Can you see? Oh, this is how they do it. So you now click on what? Download. Where is the download? You click on it. So that's that about that. But I'm not going to take this trade because I didn't analyze the market. So I analyze the market first before I take trade. Can you see I've already closed that position? Now I don't want this one too again because I did not analyze. I just use it to explain for you. So I click on what? Cancel to close that position. That's that about that. Now for you to know if you are improving or you are what you are not improving. So let's go this place. So you come here, you come back to home, you click on wallet, then come to features. Okay, can you see this is the overview? But this is the total amount of money I have here, 45.60. I have one winning days. Today is 3. Today is 3rd. Today is 3rd, 3 days, but I have just one winning day. It means I've lost twice, or maybe I didn't take trades in those 2 days, but I actually took trades on those 2 days and I lost. So, but I won one. So can you see this month only? This month only. So can you see? I made a total profit of $10. So I'm on $10 profit like this month only. So that's that about that. So you can see this one minus 4.41. This is where you check your losses. Let's go. Come back to these features. So come here. This place. Okay, I think I didn't show you this one that look like file. Click on it. So open orders, order history, position history, trade history. So click on trade history. So can you see on this trade history like this? You see, this is all the trades that I took for us today. Can you see it? BTC, like that. So these are the trades that I took personally. So that's that about trade history. Okay, this is it. The trade that I closed, you can see it. This is the BTC trade. We made $0.2 profit on that one. We lost $0.001 on that one that I closed. So this is my BTC trade of today is 3rd. Today is 4th. This was yesterday. I lost $5. Then I lost some small money, 0.90, $0.5, $0.5, $0.3, you see, like that on that the other day. Then you see, I made $17 here. So this $17 has actually covered everything. So that's why you can still see that I lost $5, I lost $5, I won $17. That's why you are seeing that my net profit is what, that $10 that I showed you the other time. Do you understand? So that's that about that. That's that about that. So there's nothing again to explain here. That's everything about it. So the same thing applies to what? To Bybit too. The same thing applies to Bybit too. The same way. But the advantage of Bybit is over Binance is that you can place long position and you can place short position too at the same time. Like you can be on a long position of a particular of this BTC, and you can also be on a short position of BTC too. But Binance, if you are on a long, you cannot be on a short at the same time. So that's that about that. The same thing, you see candlesticks, is to show you what, it will bring chart for you. 3 dots, this is where you see your calculator. The same thing, it will calculate it for you. Which leverage are you using? No, quantity doesn't matter. Entry price, closing price, you calculate the same thing. The same thing. Those exchanges are on. You see derivative. You know, I said futures can also be called what? Derivative trading or what? Leverage trading. So it's derivative trading here. It can be a what? It's futures trading on Binance. It's derivative trading here. Do you understand? So that's that about that. So if I want to, if I don't, let me close this chart. So if I want to, if there's another coin that I want to analyze, so click on this place. The same thing, the same way it is what, the same way that one too works. Do you understand? So that's that about that. So look at it. Nothing concerned with this open. Let it always be in open. My available balance, the same way it shows. Then leverage. You see that, you know, I told you that you can open long and you can also open short at the same time on what? On uh, uh Binance. On Bybit. That's why you can see that, okay, on Bybit, if it is long, my long position, I want it to be on 50x. My short position, I want it to be on what? On 70x. You can set it anyhow you want. You can put the two on 50-50 if you want. If you want, you can put the two on 50-50 if you like. You see, click on save. So that's that about that. So you limit, you know, I told you nothing concern, just limit and what, and market. You see that Bybit has actually even help you to bring the market closer, because Bybit actually came after Binance and they work on what Binance did not actually improve on their own derivative trading. Do you understand like that? So, but the two of them are actually good for trading. You can use any of them for trading. So that's that about that. You see, other price. So what is the other price? Where other price just mean that what? Entry price. Where do you want to enter? I want to enter at 31,000. Do you understand all those things? So that I've explained with Binance. And I say nothing concerned with what? With quantity. What concerns you is what? Is the what? Is the cost. So you'll be using the cost by clicking on what? On this one. By moving this one. You understand? So the prices will be what? Will be changing. Then you click on what? Take profit and stop loss. Click on what? Take profit and stop loss. It will give you. So you put your take profit amount, you put your stop loss amount. Our time is fast fetched. That's why I didn't actually bother, but that's how to do it. Nothing special. Do you get? So then you click on open long or click on open short. Open long, that is, you want to long the market or you want to buy, or open short. Click on open short if you want to short the market or what you want to sell. Do you understand? Now that one is actually very easier than for Binance. You know, on Binance now you have to buy or sell. Like if you want to short now, you have to firstly change it first before you put all these ones. But this one is after you have set everything, then you can what? Long or what? Or short. You understand? So nothing concern you with this post only. Nothing concern you. This place, GTC, nothing concern you. This is 0.1, nothing concern you. Though this is 0.1 means that what you want to know the units, how many people are buying. You understand? Like who are the people that are other book debts? Who are the people that are buying 10 units? So, but that one too, nothing concerns you. And I've told you this one is how many people are shorting this market at this particular price and using this particular amount. How many people are longing the market using this particular quantity? You understand? So that, and this is what current market. You understand? So if you open a position, it will be here. Then if you set others down, it will be here too, just like this, the way everything is. So that's that about that. So thank you very much. Any question? Any question? Let me take our question now. We have 4 minutes more, please. So I will just take maybe like 2 questions. We'll be discussing others, maybe on the group chat. So any question? Let me be allowing you to speak. So any question?
Hello, good evening, sir.
Yeah, good evening.
It's not actually a question, but notice. You said someone cannot long and short on the same time on Binance.
Yeah, okay. I get where you are going to do margin bar on Binance.
No. Like using edge mode.
Edge mode. Yeah, you are going to use single multi-asset mode, right?
Yes, I think it's under multi-asset mode, but I know it's edge mode. Once it's on edge mode, you can long and short at the same time. But
It's
if you have
on
an open position,
yeah, I'm with
if
you.
you have an open position, you cannot do it unless you
That's
close all the position. So
that's it. You see. So, but the way it is Binance, this is how it will be for newbies. Everybody that is just opening. So just leave this S like that. If you know you want to. If not that, actually, I don't like when you want to short a market and you want to long it again. It means you are purely gambling. That you don't know where the market is going. Maybe it will go long or go short. And another thing is that actually you might actually see a short. You can be swinging a long position and just want to scalp on a short. You understand? But Binance, you just have to change it, do some settings again. You get so that. But Bybit actually give you opportunity to do that one easily without first changing settings and doing everything. Do you get it now?
yes.
Yeah. Thank you very much. So yeah,
All
who
right.
else wants to? If you are welcome.
Good
Who
evening.
else has to?
Hello.
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay. My question is this: in that other type that we use for trading, if
Yes.
you use limit to enter a market, like the market is going to come to you before your order will pick. So supposing
Yes.
you want to enter a market above market order, what other type can you use? Like, let's say you want to enter the BTC market at 30,900. What order can you use
Yes.
so that, because if you use the limit for that, it will just cut you immediately and enter the market?
Yes, now you cannot enter above. You cannot long above. You are long like it means you want to long when market go up. No, you can't do that now. Like it means do you know what that means? It means that okay, they are selling petrol at 500. I mean, yeah, like if you want to buy petrol, the price currently is 500. You now said you want. Are you with me? I'm coming. You now said you want to
Yes,
buy petrol at 700. Are you with me?
yes.
You are now saying you want to buy petrol at 700. It means if you are not wise. I'm not talking to you like that person is not wise. Do you get? Like they are selling petrol at 500. You are now saying you want to buy at 700. No, now
No, that
when you can easily buy
you
at
not
500.
not getting there. You might be given a signal like this. I'm taking for instance,
It
and
will be a
they
short
they
signal that you'll be
it will
given.
give you an entry above the market.
It's short signal that will be above the
OG,
market. That
OG,
eh?
That's what I'm asking
can I
about.
contribute?
That is shorting. That's like you want to
OG,
short the
OG.
market. Eh?
I think I understand what the guy is trying to say.
Okay.
The situation is some people that are breakout traders, they can set stop limit order when the price reaches maybe 31,000. You now set it above the price. So it's a stop limit order. They can use that one to set it above the current price and not limit.
Okay, okay, okay,
Okay,
okay. Thank you.
okay.
All right,
But
so it's my turn here.
does you
The
know?
question I want to ask.
You, will you know
Hello.
how to? I'm coming. So is the stop limit the person is going to use, right?
Yes,
Okay. So is the stop limit you are going to use. Do you understand? But
yes, I have.
that's that for the person. Like if you want to use it, but for newbies that I want to take and I want to teach, what you should be using is just the limits and what and the market. Nothing concern you with the rest. The limits and the market. Do you understand?
Hmm.
Do you understand? Okay.
Yes,
Thank you.
I've understood.
Okay. Oh yeah.
All right, here. The question I want to ask is on position sizing. Like
Okay.
there was this space we had on Twitter one time with all these Twitter idols. So some people were
Right.
actually like insulting kind of we that use small leverages that we are shortchanging ourselves. So what I don't get is this. They said there is a way you can use very high leverage and still risk
Yes.
a little amount of
Yes.
money. But I don't
Yes.
understand how it's done. Like that calculator there, how did you go in
It's
depth
it,
of
it's the calculator you are going to use, but not even the calculator per se. You can still do everything on what on your trading view. When we get to that place, so your position sizing, I'm going to teach you about that. Do you understand? I'm going to teach you about that when we get there.
okay, thank you
Because
very much.
I don't want the class to be an interactive, too much interactive class because it's already 1 hour already. Do you get?
All right,
So we
all
are
right.
supposed to end the class. Yeah,
Thank you. I
you
think
are welcome.
God bless.
But you can still use high leverage and you can use small leverage. It depends on your position sizing. Position sizing is an aspect of risk management, which I'm going to take. Do you
Okay,
get?
okay,
Yeah, yeah.
thank you. The question over here is actually simple. Like, thank you.
Okay. So thank you very much, everyone. Till tomorrow. So tomorrow, what we are going to do is introduction to forex. Introduction to forex. I think that's based on course outline. So it's introduction to forex. So please make sure you come too and come and learn too. And what I taught you today, please make sure you watch it. You can also watch other videos too. But I'm going to upload this YouTube video. So to you, this thing on the YouTube videos. So thank you very much, everyone. And if you are watching the YouTube video, please try and like and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you very much, everyone. Good night.
You may not have all the means now, but please eat well. Turn and tell your neighbor as well. There are some of us, the wickedness you are doing to yourself, the revenge will come in the future. Some of us, you've been taking that for almost throughout this week. And it's not like, yes, of course, things are not there yet, but come on now, Abba. Go to your friend's room, let me help you. What is all that?
Okay. This one's really hanging itself. Probably Madrid back.
That boy look like person will go back.
Is he going to play? That's not right.
Hello.
I don't know if now striker will be.
Hello.
Even if he be defender.
I forgot today.
No, is he going to be?
Nah, when not?
Do you hearing me?
I keep it not there. I do what make me happy.
And I'm a crush. We talk.
Oh boy, you get plenty places. So
I do what make me happy. All the can't time that I'm blessed. Self-preservation, self-elevation. These kind of these days deserve celebration. No hesitation, no reservation. Go for the big leagues, no relegation. Let's celebrate life, kick back and take five, and give thanks to the source that create life. To see a sunset or see a sunrise, and see my son born with these same eyes. To see my son smile bright.
I think he has a retired with you.
So glad that's why every eye. 100, not our 90. Praise the Almighty, the Father Almighty.
Never even see it. I saw his picture somehow.
You don't show me. Can't do more. Huh? Actually, the guy Buria Gawabeg make her concentrate to more important things. Yes, ma'am. You don't mind me. That's something I did. I don't know about you. That's how I am.
These people know shit, they shape for pictures.
Wait, now I'll show you something. You don't mind me. If I barb hair, that's the end. See now.
10 is okay, or 20K. Nah,
See
wow,
now.
wow.
I want to you. See now. You know me. That's from my banana card. See now. Now what you? How about you? Don't want me.
He's not a balance card. He's not a balance card. Balance card.
See now. Don't be me with this. Don't be me with this.
But pictures the white person, your face will come smooth. What do you want this?
See this one where I hide. Ah. I go just the I have my pictures.
Not even me, but
See now. See now. Now the same person. You know they do what other versions what you got. I know they do all those ones.
yeah, one of my cousins and I bet you I don't want to say almost like you. And when I don't know so because like when they can't close like so like I just want them to guy. I was from this guy. God also because
Wait, I'm gonna go find her for Instagram. You will be.
now can I start to come to our place? I say snap it to a post. And the post can be
Now should be this.
I can't do
Nico, how?
Now Port Harcourt, now she go uniform.
Ah, Clifford all this stuff.
Clifford.
They play now.
Clifford they follow him. Say Clifford they follow this guy.
See Clifford, yeah, show by grab. Don't be Clifford with that.
I they follow Clifford. Why should not they show for this girl? Oh.
Hello, please, what are you still doing in class now?
Actually, don't be sure with this.
Oh, she. Think I search Clifford.
You sure say you dey follow Clifford?
I they follow Clifford. Yeah, I'm not you mad they follow that. I swear. Clifford, in the bar. Clifford at the bar.
See, eh?
Hey, I'm
You get
Amanda.
wetin they are done there. You know, like this way we say, you don't want to go fine. You expect say maybe okay, like this like the papa talk now. Maybe the girl go like let's say like Warri or Ogun State or Ondo State. You go find the girl. Yes, you go just dey talk. Maybe you know just check it for. Let's say you go want say make I just check this or you see the girl you like I want text am. You go just come see. You know people wey dey follow the girl now. They go write Napoleon Dufle. If I just see one of my guys for there, I don't change my mind. Straight. God, because why you go now?
Like, okay, you know they follow Clifford back now. Why?
Okay, no, they follow Clifford.
Like you get my way, I don't know my comment. I saw I put tag me for there.
Okay. Now for
For where?
Facebook. I mean, this could not see my guy. You don't comment for it. I go tag.
And say tag me for it. I laughed. Jesus. This is what you don't catch me here. I swear, boy, that's a shock to me. I don't forget that careful, yeah.
My man, what
Instagram camera.
Instagram. But I don't even make conversation. Instagram camera. I see they put up in the comment for and they book on you.
Hello, good evening.